Welcome to Abundance Rising Family, where we decided to take the kids down to the Riverwalk in San Antonio today. Come along and see how it goes.
Never know what kind of cool stuff we're going to get into down here. Come here. Riverwalk is probably one of my favorite spots. Once you get past all the homeless people, it smells like pee. It's a pretty cool place. They've done a really great job of cleaning it up. Really pretty down here. Great restaurants, great food, great everything. If you ever come down near San Antonio, let me know, man. Come down here and get something to eat. Rita's is really good. I don't know if you've been to Rita's on the river.
Look at this. How big. Those are cool.
It certainly is. It's one of my favorite places in Texas to go, just for like a nice Saturday night or any day of the week, really. Come down here, grab a bite to eat, hang out with the locals. Great people, great town. So hopefully my kids and grandkids remember when I took you down to the Riverwalk. We hung out, man. San Antonio is an absolutely awesome town. Some live music over here. See what's going on with that. Dude's getting it.
Mom, is there fish up in the Riverwalk?
Yep.
Oh, snakes.
Attorney General. They're delaying it. Why?
Mom, is that fish one?
Maybe. Really?
Yeah.
Look at this.
What'd you get,
It's
Sam?
called Superman.
Make me go famous.
I'll do it.
You have the good stuff.
I do, and I'm walking around. I had a guy just ask me to post him dancing in the video. I told him to go check it out,
That's cool.
get some more followers.
Hey, this shit gas. I haven't tried to fly with it, but I'm about to buy it.
Hey, Aaron, how do you like the apple?
It's really good.
Can't talk. Too much time for eating.
There's one of the piggy.
And we can't take you boys anywhere.
They were up in the trees today.
Oh yeah. They go over the top.
Buddy,
They were.
buddy, we got.
And then they were.
Dad, it wasn't my fault. The iron place was good. First it made it to this house. Then
Oh, you have to climb on it. It's the only way you can launch it properly.
We saw him.
That's not scary.
There's people going in there rehearsing. They're doing a rehearsal. They're opening it until tomorrow at 9 a.m.
This is the most Texas thing we always do when we go to the Riverwalk. The Alamo. Stands tall, stands strong, symbol of freedom, symbol of not giving in, not giving up. Kids and grandkids, some things are worth dying for, man. That's all I'm saying. So, anyway, brought Aunt Cena down here to check it out. And they just built a new thing over here too, which is pretty neat. Whole new addition to it. So, anyway, pretty cool.
Where are we going now? All right, now we can play the game.
Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, keep following for more of our family adventures. We're so glad that you're here. We'd like to show you some more.